Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing, review, and installation of the HiWe AirCard tag. This works with all your iOS devices, so whether it's your iPad, it can connect to your Apple Watch. Today I will be connected to my iPhone. What's cool is they're really, really slim. As you can see, I have two of them. So I'm going to go ahead and open one of them up so you kind of see what it looks like and what you get in the package. So you get the charger for it, which is this one right here. The other side is type C. And then this is the actual card itself. Really, really nice. Let's take it out of here. There we go. And it's got a little button right here. And there you go. It's already on. It's got some charge in it. I will be putting it in my wallet. I don't know about you guys, but I misplace this all the time. So this is going to come in really handy. But you could also put this in your luggage or anything else like that. It doesn't actually have to be the wallet. Anywhere where you could actually put this in, it will work. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get this all installed in the app. I'll show you how the charger works, and then we'll go from there. So first, you're going to want to go to the Find My application already built into your device. Hit Find Other, and as you can see, we'll start searching. And then it'll locate it, hit connect. Then you want to name it whatever you want. In this case, I'm just going to name it wallet because that's where I'm going to put it. And then it has you pick an emoji, which I'm also going to put a wallet. Everything was made simple thanks to the instruction that it came with. All right, and that's how you set it up. Literally could have taken more than, 3 to 5 minutes to fully get it set up on the Find My application. So now that we do have it set up, I'm going to go ahead and just show you real quick. In order to charge it right in the front, put it right up there, and there it is. It's charging, and it lets you know with that little light right there. So this is one cool feature. I actually have like a different brand that I would put it in my wallet, and there was no way to charge it. It was going to be just good for 6 months, and then after that, I think you were kind of I really didn't look too much into it, but I do like that you can just charge it on here. This one is also designed to be good for 6 months. It is going to depend on how often you do use it, but it is designed for about 6 months or so. So that's super cool. So now let's go ahead and actually put it in my wallet. So normally I have like a little slot right here. Just put it right in there. Seal it up. As you can see, it shows the wallet on there, and we'll go ahead and hit play sound. Not bad at all. I normally lose it right here anyway, but in the off chance that you don't, then you are able to try to get like directions to the actual item of where it is at. So again, super, super handy. So if you're looking for a good like alternative to like these card tags, this one by HiWe, I highly recommend. Definitely a 10 out of 10.